everyone, I'm Avery. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing. I'll be opening a package from eBay that contains some sterling silver jewelry. Before we get into that, I just wanted to show you some of the tools I use. I typically use a magnifying glass to see small print and a magnet to test for sterling silver. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, here we go. If I can just get this open. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like getting packages in the mail and unboxing them. I think I'm gonna need my scissors again. Well, the seller really packaged this really well, because there's actually another bag inside. Almost got it. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we have. First, we have a lovely marcasite pendant with what looks like could be a carnelian stone. I'm not sure, but it's very pretty. What do you guys think of this piece? I'm a big fan of marcasite. Very pretty. It says 925, which is a little hard to see. Let's test it with the magnet. Now, if sterling silver sticks to the magnet, that means it's not actually sterling silver, so it's a good sign if it does not stick. But that test is not always conclusive. If you want to know if something is really sterling silver, you should probably do an acid test. Okay, our next item is another pendant. And this is pretty cute. It looks like it might be mother of pearl, but I'm not sure. And I don't see any markings on the back. But we can test it with the magnet. It's not sticking, which is good. Okay, so what do we have next? If I can just get back into the bag. This is really pretty. What do you guys think? It looks like malachite. Very pretty. We can test it with the magnet, and it's not sticking, which is good. Very nice. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite gemstone is. Okay. We have a heart pendant. This is pretty cute. And it does have some markings So we'll take a closer look maybe. It's pretty difficult to see that. But it does say 925. Very nice. And we have a heart pendant next. And this is really cute. And it does have some print there. And it does say 925. And it's not sticking to the magnet, which is good. Next, we actually have a locket. I like the decorations on the front. It has a lot of wear on the inside though, so I'm not sure if I'll be selling this. But it is a pretty nice piece. Let's check to see if it'll stick to the magnet. And let's see what we have here next. We have two cat pendants here, and one has a green stone and the other has a blue stone. Whoops, I dropped one. Yep, it's very pretty. It looks like CZ's, I guess. And this one is marked. And this one should be marked too. Yep. We'll just get the magnifying glass so we can see this a little closer. It says 925 on both of these. And they are not sticking to the magnet, which is very good. Okay. And let's see what we have next. If you see anything that you would like to buy, you can leave a comment down below or send me a message on Instagram. Another heart pendant. This one is really pretty. Let's see if we can make anything out. Yep, it does say 925. It's just very hard to see. And let's see what we have next. Another heart pendant. With two stones. They might be peridot, not sure. And this is marked sterling. We'll just use the magnifying glass to see this a little bit better. and we'll see if it sticks to the magnet. Nope. And finally we have our last item. If I can get it out. This is a little harp pendant, and it's really cute. I think it has one green stone, and it does say sterling. It's probably gold over sterling, which is actually called vermeil. Yep, it says sterling. And let's see, it's not sticking to the magnet, which is really good. Very cute. I made a little pattern here. So we're almost done with the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!